Today we are going to see how to use GoHello prospecting tool. Go to GoHello account, click prospecting link. It will open prospect accounts page. Click Add a Prospect button. It will open a new page. Then search your local businesses by typing text in the search bar, or otherwise you can add a prospect manually by providing the parameters this way. Now I am going to search using this search bar. Then the result will list of real estate agents in and around your area. Then you can go through list of real estate agent information and find a business that you want to pitch your service. Suppose if you want to pitch reputation management service, you can go through ratings and find a business with a low rating and pitch them to your service. Here low rating is there, you can pitch your service to this client. Another one you look for is a WordPress website service. If you are a WordPress designer or a developer, you could look for the business which does not have WordPress website and pitch your website service to them. This client does not have a website, and this client and these three clients does not have a website. So you can pitch your service to this client. Here we are going to see how we can pitch our website performance service to the client so that client can have faster and more optimized website. In this case, we will select a business with a WordPress website. It will open a new page and click Save Project. Then the marketing audit report will run in the background. Once the process done, you can see the marketing audit report. It will take few minutes to complete. You can download the report as a PDF or share the report. In this report, you can see SEO analysis report in Google Map listing review. This is the online health course. This is the online health score of the website. This is having less reviews. And there is no chat widget on this website. We are interested in this video is website performance. Here you can see page speed for mobile and desktop. Here in the social media, this website does not have any match in this area. City search, logo, and these are in the social media. There is no match found for these websites. This is the page speed block. Under the page health report block, you can see desktop report and mobile report. In the desktop report, you can see the critical fixes and non-critical fixes. Red colored fixes are critical fixes and the yellow ones are non-critical fixes. Critical fixes must be fixed in order to have better performance of the website. And the same applies for mobile report also. Critical fix must be fixed in order to have better performance in mobile version of a website also. This report helps to approach a local business or a company to pitch your service and to tell them that these are the issues in your website. I could help you to fix this issue if you want to work with me. That is how you can use this marketing audit report to find new client or customer. This is the way you can use the prospecting tool. New addition to the prospecting tool is the website performance stats. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks.